Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 4th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market, all three indices ended more or less flat. Dow ended flat with a negative bias, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended flat with a positive bias. First, let us look into the Powell speech. Powell's speech, the overall the underlying message is the US Central Bank will study more and more data before deciding on the rate cycle. This is mainly because of the better than expected manufacturing PMI data, and the jobs data is also the private jobs data is also high. They added 1,84,000 new payrolls, and the inflation also came higher last week. So all put together, the overall the economic indicator seems to be stronger than what was expected, because of which the chances of rate cuts seems to be fading. Now it is around 60%. Last week it was around 70%. So we have 2 more months for the June cycle. So let us see that the 2 months data, if it is favorable for a rate cut, then Fed may go for it. Otherwise, probably no. But however, Jeremy Powell said that there is all chances the rate cut will happen this week. But will it happen in the month of June is what not everybody is sure about. This is about the rate cut. Stock specific, Tesla, they are planning to identify a manufacturing site in India. They have identified Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu state. A team is visiting in the month of April to do a feasibility study. So based on the feasibility study, they will decide one of the site for manufacturing Tesla cars in India. This is mainly because their deliveries were down by around close to 10% in the last quarter, and the competition is also heavy with Chinese EV manufacturing companies. BYD is giving more and more discount. This we have seen in couple of videos. So because of which they are thinking of a manufacturing plant in India. And Intel, we discussed yesterday. Intel reported around 7 billion loss in one of the chip manufacturing unit. They call it as a foundry business, and because of which yesterday we discussed in our video. After that the market started. When the market started, Intel was down around by 8%. So these are all the updates from the US market. Coming back to the Indian market, it's a weekly expiry for Nifty today, but today Nifty opened 140 points gap up. So imagine the option traders, they have to run for cover if there is a gap up opening of around 140 points. Around 11 a.m. there was a sell-off, and Nifty was trading close to 22,300. So the range for Nifty, if you see, it is close to 300 to 350 points. So Nifty trading from 22,300 to 22,650 today. So Nifty running all over the places today and giving a tough time for option traders. Finally Nifty traded above 22,500 and ended up around 80 points higher. So if you look at oil trading at around $90, because of which oil marketing companies were trading lower today. BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, Oil India, all were trading lower today because oil trading at $90. When oil is trading at a higher price, the oil exploration companies, the profit should be high, so they should trade at a higher price. But there is a windfall tax imposed on oil exploring companies, because of which the oil exploration companies like Reliance, Vedanta, ONGC, all these were also trading lower. So overall the oil companies, both oil marketing companies and oil exploration companies, contributed negative for the Nifty today. But then still, how Nifty traded around 80 points higher, it's mainly because the contribution from HDFC Bank. So surprisingly today HDFC Bank traded higher by around 3%, because of which HDFC Bank alone added around 80 points for the Nifty. That's why Nifty traded positive or ended positive today. And one more update is the FII holding in HDFC Bank is reduced to 47.83%. Previous quarter they were holding more than 52%, around 4 to 5% less compared to previous quarter. I think it's mainly because they have to stick to some regulatory norms, because of which they have sold the HDFC Bank shares actually. And defense stocks were trading higher. If you look at in the last 1 week's Cochin Shipyard, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders and Garden Research Shipbuilders, they all were up by around 15 to 20% in the last 1 week. That is mainly because of the geopolitical tension across the globe, because of which the order book is also high, and India also want to be self-reliant on the defense area, and they have given more order book for these companies, because of which these defense stocks were trading higher. But usually when there is a geopolitical tension, that the market, you will see sell off, and most of the stocks will be trading lower. But defense stock, it's quite opposite, they were trading higher when there is a geopolitical tension. KEC International, there was a order book of over 800 crore today, because of which the stock at one point in time is 220% higher, but ended up around 5% higher today. Tata Motors JLR sales was at 17,066 units. This is well above the previous year achievement of 13,200, so around 4,000 units higher. This is a very good news for the auto sector. Overall, if you look at today, private bank, IT and Bank Nifty, all three contributed for the Nifty's uptrend today, but oil related companies contributed negative for the Nifty today. So this is the update from the Indian market. Thank you for watching my video.